students, I am Fariha Sufyan, your mathematics teacher. I warmly welcome you all on the platform of digital academics provided by Moonlight International Publishers. Today, my topic is ascending and descending order of numbers up to 3 digits. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to write the given set of numbers in ascending and descending order of numbers up to 3 digits. Kindly note the steps for writing the numbers in ascending and descending order. To write the number in ascending or descending order, we need to, number 1, compare every two numbers in the given sequence. Number 2, find the greatest and the smallest number. Number 3, arrange the numbers in sequence. That means that if in ascending order means from the smallest to the greatest number. Now let's solve an example of writing number in order that is ascending or descending order. Let's solve this example. This is 410, 330, 630, then again a comma, then 340, then a comma, and then we will have the final term that is 230. We will find the smallest numbers first. As you know that for writing the numbers in ascending or descending order, we need to write down the smallest or the greatest number in the both ways. For checking that, we need to check the 100 place of all of these 3-digit number. By underlining the 100 digits in this sequence, we have seen that the smallest 100th digit is number 2. So, that is why the smallest number is 230. Now again, by comparing hundreds digit, we got the greatest 100th digit as 6. So that is why the greatest number is 630, because the greatest 100th place digit is 6. That is why the greatest number is 630. Now, for ascending order, as you all know that we start from the smallest to the greatest. Means we need to compare the numbers. So, first we need to write down the smallest number, which is 230. So, I have written smallest number over here, and on the top I will write ascending order. Okay. Then I will write this one 230 because it starts with the number which is the smallest one. And here the smallest number is 230. Now we will move forward to the next greater number by comparing this number to the other numbers. We got that 340 and 330 have the same 100th digit. So that is why we are going to compare these two digits tens place. So that is why we are going to check the tens place of both of these numbers. And you have seen that at tens place there is 3 and on the other side, other number there is 4. So that is why you already know that which number is greater? 4 is greater. So that is why as we are moving from the smaller to the greater one, so finally we are going to move to the greatest number. So the greater number, by comparing 230 to the other number, the next number will be 330. So after 330, you already know that the next number is 340. So after 340, we need to decide that which number will come. We are going to underline the 100 digit and we are going to check the remaining numbers. The remaining numbers are 4, 6 and nothing else. So the next number at 100 place is 4. So we are going to take the whole number over here, the whole complete number, that is 400, and then will come after the number 340. Now we are going to write the maximum number, which is over here, the greatest number. The greatest number over here is 630. So we are going to end this sequence by arranging the number from the smallest to the greatest number. As you already know that descending means moving down. Very good. And ascending means moving up. So, in the same way, descend means we are going to start from the greatest number until the smallest number. In this way, we are going to write the number, or in other words, you can also say that ascending and descending both are opposite to each other. So, in the same way, we are going to write the numbers in descending means from the greatest number to the smallest number. So, we will take the greatest number over here as we already find it, that is 630. So, that is why we are going to start the descending order from the number 630, and then we are going to mark a comma, and then after a comma again we are going to check the number, which number is smaller than this 630 number. So, basically we are going to start back counting. In the same way, after 6, which number will come at 100 place? Yes, 4 will come at 100. So, after 410, which number will come? Yes, are we writing smaller number or greater number? Yes, we are writing smaller number by comparing 410 to the other remaining numbers. By comparing the numbers, you can see that the next number after 410 would be 340 or 330. So, we need to decide from these two because here both 100 place is same, means we are going to check the tens place. The tens place over here is 3 and 4. So, that is why we are going to take the larger number by comparing these two numbers. So, we are going to write number 340 after 410. After 340, we are going to write the number 330 because this is smaller number by comparing 340 and 330 as we are moving to the smallest number. So, now what we are going to write? Yes, finally, as we know that the smallest number is remaining one, so we are going to write the smallest number over here at the last, which is 230. Let's solve another example. The example is 372, 350 and 384. We compare hundreds digit first. As you know that here all 100 digits are same, means 3, 3 and 3. You can underline and check this one is same. So that is why we are going to check the digit at tens place. Here the digit at tens place are 7, 5, 8. So for writing the number in ascending order, we need to find out the smallest number as well as the greatest number. Here the smallest number is 350 and the greatest number is 384. So, we need to remember these numbers and then we are going to arrange the number in ascending and descending order both. As you already know that ascending means moving up and descending means moving down. So, for writing the number in ascending order, we are going to write the smallest number first and then we are going to write the greatest number. So here the smallest number is 350 and after 350 we are going to move the greater number. So the greater number by comparing 350 from the other remaining numbers, we are going to get 372. So we will write 350, then 372 and finally we will write the greatest number which is 384. As you already know that both of these orders are opposite to each other. So that is why here we are going to start from the greatest number and move to the smaller and smallest number. So now we are going to, basically we have how many numbers over here? 3 numbers. So we are going to write the smaller number after the greatest number which is 384. Yes, we will write 372 and then afterwards finally the last number which is 350. Descending order is 384, 372 and 350. So this will decide that which number is smaller and which number is greater. Okay, I think so this concept is clear to you guys. We'll get back to you with more interesting concepts of mathematics. Till then, take good care of yourself and your family. Allah Hafiz.